Maiden, look at the train. Let's go in the train. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Oh, you're in a real train. Yeah. What do you think, Maiden? Wow. And there's a playground. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at the train. Oh, are you excited? Look at the train. Oh. What does the train do? Woo woo. There he is. Here's a big train. Yeah. Which one do you want to go on? Ready? You want to go on the slide? Yeah, come on. Wow. It's another train. It is a train, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. You going to get on that train? You climb up. Or are you going to play noughts and crosses? You go up the ladder. The big plastic ropes. Here we go. You got this? You can climb. Good boy. Look at Maiden. There he is, Maiden. You gonna go down the slide? Oh, ready? It's a big slide. Go. Wow, good boy. Was that fun? More slide, yep, let's do this. Yay. The big train, yeah. Which one are you going to go up? You're running. Yeah, look at that slide. Look. You're going to go up that again? Good boy, ready, go. Good boy.
More?
Yeah, more. You can do this. You can do this. You're like Spider-Man. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, look how high you are. You got this? Yep, get up, chickie. One more foot. One more foot. You got this? Ready? Up. Oh, you made it! Yay! Which slide? Do you want to go down that one? That one. Alright, ready? Oh. There he is. Hi, Maiden. Say hi. Slide. Ready? Go.
No.
Yeah, go. Oh, okay. Good boy.
More?
Yeah, more. Run, Maiden, run. I'll meet you on the other side. Hey, Maiden, you can climb up this way. Look, you go in here. Yeah, go in there and you can climb up. See? You can climb. I'll meet you up the top, Maiden. Maiden, you coming up? Wow, look at you. Good boy. You've got this, buddy. Yeah, more. Yeah, you stuck? Nah, you're not stuck. Come on. You got it. You got up, Maiden. Wow, look at you. How fun was that? In the tunnel. In the tunnel. Alrighty. There you are. Slide down, mate. Ready? Wow. Good boy. Run. Oh, wow. How cool's that train, Maiden? Look at that train. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Here's a big train. You gonna climb that, are you? On the slide? Ah! Run, Maiden, run! Go up this part. In here. In here. Yeah? In there? On the train. You gonna drive the train? We're gonna go home on the train. On the big choo-choo. Wow! Oh, look at all the stuff in here. All these switches, and that's where all the wood, the coal goes to fuel the train. I have no idea what that is. I think that might be a, don't know. Yeah, do. Yeah. Yeah, you want to take them off? Wow. Do you like the train?
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? Look in there, Maiden. Go in there. Wow, look in there. You can see the train, look. Wow. Yeah, you can go in there. Oh, look. Yeah. You want to take them off? You want to fix it, hey? Get it going again. Yeah. Wow, what's this part? This is where they get all the coal. Yeah. You're gonna drive it? You're gonna be a train driver? Yeah. And I think this is where they used to sit. They sit here. That's where they used to sit. Right there, I think. Drive the train, and then they used to move this thing. Look. What's this? Is that the brake? I think that's the brake. Wow. What are all these things, Maiden? Look. Yeah. You can't reach it. Wait a second, I'm going to have to try and pick you up. Wait a sec. Oh, look at this one. What's this do? Look at that. There you go. You're driving the train? Train? You driving it? Just watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. What's that? What's all this? Oh, it doesn't open. Wow. Yeah, do you want to sit in the train seat? Yeah, come here. Oh. You sit here. Ready? And you go, you're the train driver. Woo woo! Look at Cheeky driving the train. Oh, yeah, you're steering it. Not that you steer the train. Yeah, watch out, you're going to fall. Ready, you're going to jump down? Ready? A big jump. Ready? 1, 2, jump! Ah! Good boy. How much fun is the train? Wow, look at it all. How old is it? Wow. It's pretty cool, huh? Wonder what all these things do, Maiden. What's this thing? Wow. I think that's like the temperature gauge. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Windy, isn't it? Wow. Yeah. Yeah, that's where all the fire is. Train. Train, yeah. In there. Oh. Yeah. There's a hole up there. Yeah, there is too. I wonder what that was for. Yeah. Yeah. You gonna steer the train? Wonder what that means, what that thing is. What do you think, Maiden? Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no! Ah. You want to go back into the park? Play in that park?
Play.
It's a good slide, that one, isn't it, Maiden? Yeah, it's fun. Isn't it fun? Say,
Oh,
yeah.
play.
Yep.
Play.
Hey, Maiden, do you like the train? Yeah? Good boy. Alright, say bye. Bye. Good boy.